Brian Shaw is a professional strongman standing 6.8 feet tall and weighing 190 kg. And now he is slowly stepping into arm wrestling. And now it has also become clear that he is going to officially join arm wrestling. And very soon Devon Larratt will start training Brian. But will he be able to perform as well in arm wrestling as he does in weightlifting? If we look at Brian's physical structure, he is very big and powerful. And now he gradually learned the basic moves of arm wrestling. But he is still not good at arm wrestling. Let me explain. For example, if we talk about arm wrestlers like Devon Larratt and Levan Saginashvili, so they have progressed a lot in this field. And after years of hard work, they have made their arms much stronger. Devon has been arm wrestling since he was a teenager, and he is now 50 years old. And after so many years of hard work, he has made his arms so powerful. But if we talk about Brian, he is currently 42 years old, and after a few years, due to increasing age, he will also start losing his strength. And it's a bit difficult for Brian to do all this so quickly. There are some other powerful people like Brian who are very powerful, but still they are not good at arm wrestling. For example, Andre Smeo. And even if Brian takes proper training from Devon and steps into arm wrestling, so he will have to play in super heavyweight category, where Levan will stand in front of him. And if there is a competition between these two, then Levan will completely dominate him. That's all for today. Like the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.